doing a legit opening today. Soul Supremacy box. First beater box. So I mean legit by I just got into the shoe game, so I'm not positive what all these shoes names are yet. Hopefully I know at least half of them. We'll see. That guy. You guys allowed that guy to get 100,000 subscribers on YouTube. That guy. Really? Oh man. Well, it is what it is. 100,000 subscriber video. Let's get into it.
Already the show goes on all night till the morning. We dream so long. Anybody ever wonder when they would see the sun? Just remember when you come up.
Aloha YouTube, what is up? Aloha YouTube, what is up? Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untied Hawaii here. Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untied Hawaii here, back again with your favorite series. Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untied Hawaii here, back again with a special Christmas episode. Aloha YouTube, what is up? Aloha YouTube, what is up? Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untied Hawaii here, coming at you with 100,000 subscribers. That is something, man. That is humbling, man. That's honestly all it is. And I know you guys, a lot of you guys actually at least want to come in here and you guys are hoping that there's going to be some kind of special or some kind of giveaway, which we honestly already did the giveaway part, and thank you again to Soul Seals for that. But yeah, there's not going to be anything special about this episode. I kind of wanted to take this time though to kind of give my thoughts about the channel, and really mainly just to say thank you to you guys. Like, there seriously should not be an Untied Hawaii. That shouldn't be a thing. It blows my mind every single day I wake up and there's still, I guess, 100,000 of you guys still sub to the channel. Like, it doesn't make sense to me, and it doesn't really feel real. Like, really just thank you to you guys, man. Like, when you really get to the gist of what I do is I just open shoe boxes and I put it on camera, and that's pretty much it. If you guys weren't here since the beginning, I actually made this YouTube in 2016. September 2016, I think it was September 1st, 2016. And I got my first sub September 2nd of 2016. And now it's like, what, August 11th or something like that? And we hit 100,000. So yeah, almost exactly 2 years, which is kind of intense. But yeah, I just opened boxes of shoes and stuff, and that's pretty much it. And there shouldn't really be people watching, but there's people watching, and I have no idea why, but it's truly a blessing that you guys do watch. And honestly, just your guys' belief in the channel, I guess, and belief in me is kind of what spurred me to keep making videos, you know, like, I mean, you guys saw that opening video, right? I was literally sitting with my laptop facing me, no mic, no, like, I didn't even know how to use iMovie at the time. So just raw uncut footage of me opening up a box that I only knew one of the shoes in there. And because if you guys didn't know, like I said, I started that YouTube in 2016, September. I got into shoes maybe like 1 or 2 months before that. So I know because of the size of the channel or whatever, people are like, oh, this guy must be an expert on shoes. But that's really not the case at all. Like, far from it, man. I got my first pair of Jordans, I think in May 2016. And then made a video a few months later, and then apparently I'm supposed to know everything about sneakers, which, as you guys see, like, I don't know a lot about sneakers. I don't know a lot about hypebeast stuff. What I do know is that this shouldn't be a thing, but it is, and I have really only you guys to thank. I don't thank myself at all for it, ever. Because, yeah, without you guys, it really is no Untied Hawaii. But I kind of wanted to burn through some misconceptions for you guys, since we're having like this little breakdown or whatever. A big misconception, and what's different from me than like a lot of my peers who do this full time, is that this isn't a full-time job for me. I wouldn't even consider it a part-time job, because my full-time day job is I actually work as a counselor for people with disabilities. So yeah, that's my 9 to 5, that's my everyday Monday through Friday, and I really don't have time for much else, but I put out the videos as best as I can, and it's been good, you know, it's been good. Another big misconception that people have about me and this channel is that, you know, it's just some Asian kid who probably is well off with like really rich family members, and that's why he can get all of these nice shoes or whatever, and why his collection is so big. And you know, that's really not the case at all. I don't want to say I was ever poor in my life. I don't ever feel like I was poor, but there was never a time when I felt like even at a medium range, you know, like the average. Growing up in Las Vegas, like a lot of my friends, their families were really well off. They had really like big mansions and stuff like that, and we had a nice home, but we didn't really have any money. Not too much of it, at least. I remember shopping at Payless Shoes a lot, stuff like that. So that's why shoes and stuff is very unfamiliar to me, because I couldn't afford it growing up. And I know you guys hear that a lot, but it's like literally I could not afford any shoes growing up. I think my most expensive shoe purchase was when I was like in high school, and it was for a pair of like Nike running shoes, and it was like 150 bucks, but I ran track, so I needed to buy it, and that was like an insane amount to me at the time. I shouldn't have bought those shoes, but I needed it for running, so that was like my first expensive pair of shoes. And now I'm buying all of these shoes, like, you know, you guys see it every single week, 2,000 beater boxes, spending $1,500 on this shoe. All of that money was made basically through this YouTube by selling shoes and doing this resale stuff. And I know people hate on resellers and stuff all the time, and I'm not the guy botting systems, and I'm not the guy backdooring stuff. I'm literally selling one pair of shoes at a time, and somehow it kind of created all of this, and I'm thankful for that, you know, like, it's nice. It was nice, and for some people, they really could use extra money. So that's why I did it. Yeah, and I don't plan on backdooring or botting a whole bunch of pairs or whatever, but that's why I did it. It sucks living through college with like less than $100 in your account every week, relying on taking out student loans, the max every single year, just to pay rent and eat. And now being out of college and being in some crazy amounts of debt, man, it's insane. So that's why I'm even more thankful for this YouTube, because it brings in extra income that I can, like, you know, go back to pay my student loans and things like that. So really, it's just thank you to you guys, man, because without you guys, that's not an option. So I end every video with saying, stay humble, stay blessed, take care. That's because I want you guys to succeed, and I want you guys to be humble, and I want you guys to be blessed. And honestly, it's just a reminder to myself, like, at the end of every video, that this isn't going to be permanent. I don't expect to get to 1 million subs. Didn't expect to get 100,000 subs, but it's just a reminder, you know, like, keep doing what you're doing. Stay engaged with your audience, which I try my best to. Even though we're at 100,000 subs now, there probably is a good chance I answered your comment if you've commented in the past, and that's something that I want to try to keep going, because you guys are Ohana, you guys are family. So that's why I do that. Maybe there'll be to a point where I can't do that anymore, but for now I can, and I hope I can keep those connections open with you guys, because it's nice seeing you guys, you know, doing your own thing. Like, it's cool. So really, this video is just to say, like, it's just kind of an open talk, I guess, to kind of say how it's crazy how everything came full circle. Like, I didn't know anything about shoes back in 2016. It's 2018 now, and I pretty much still don't know much about shoes, but I know a lot more than I did in 2016, and I guess it's enough for you guys to watch these videos. So that's pretty cool in my opinion, and just, yeah, it's really cool. It's really cool, man. So thank you guys for getting us 200,000 subscribers, because it's learning every single day, and I learn with you guys. And if I do know something that maybe I think other people don't, I try to share that information with you guys. So thank you every day for that. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this 100,000 sub video. We're not doing a giveaway again. Nothing special. But if you guys did watch all the way to the end and you guys are interested in, you know, continuing to be part of that Ohana and just, you know, supporting the channel and being part of that family, I will give out a discount code. We'll just make it Untied Ohana. Basically, it'll be like 30-something% off merch. Pretty much makes it almost cost, which is kind of crazy, because the materials of the shirt and stuff are pretty expensive, and yeah, I didn't skimp out on details with that. So it does help support me, and it does help support the channel. So thank you guys for everything you do. Thank you for the views. Thank you for the likes on every single video. Thank you for the comments. It's been fun. And I mean, I hope we keep growing. If we do, that's kind of insane, because this was pretty much my end goal. I was gonna retire right here, you know, so 100,000 subs, get that YouTube plaque, and then get that out of there, you know, like, done. Bang, bang, boom, in and out, clean. But I don't think you guys are gonna let me do that, so yeah, I guess we'll keep making these videos, and I hope you guys keep enjoying the content. Anyway, I know it was long-winded. This is more for the people that have been in the Ohana since, I don't know, day 1, day 365, today. It's just thank you guys for being here. Thank you guys for watching this video. Yeah, I don't know, man. It's pretty emotional up in here. Anyway, till next time, stay humble, stay blessed. Take care, guys. I'll see you. Aloha. Shoots!